Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at the phrasal verb get at. Get at. Why are we looking at that? Well, for one, it's phrasal verbs with get week, in case you forgot, and get at is used in many different ways. The word get is used in so many different ways, and at is that preposition of location. But when you put them together, things change. Come on, I'll show you. Get at. 2 words, 5 letters, 4 meanings. 4 meanings? No way. The first meaning is investigate to understand. Investigate to understand. We are going to get at the truth. Oh, we're going to find the truth. So you could use it that way. Got it. Ooh, that's another one. Mean, signify. To mean or signify. What are you getting at? When you ask someone, what are you getting at? You're asking them, what are you trying to tell me? What do you mean? Got it? Then, get at, to attack or to annoy. Here's for to annoy. My dog's barking gets at my neighbors. Sorry, neighbors. But I can use it for attack, like my dog got at the neighbor's cat. My dog attacked the neighbor's cat. Ooh, sorry, kitty. Then we have persuade by intimidation. You see this in mobster movies a lot. It goes, the mobster tried to get at the judge. Or the mobster tried to get at the jury. They tried to persuade the jury to do something else. Oh, got it. Why does English have so many meanings for these 2 little words? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. I hope I can get at it. Here we go. We have to get at the truth to find out how the bad guy got at the jury. You see what I'm getting at? What? Come on, English. Let me do it one more time. We have to get at the truth to find out how the bad guy got at the jury. You see what I'm getting at? I can break it down. We have to investigate for the truth to find out how the bad guy tried to persuade the jury. You see what I'm getting at? You see what I'm trying to tell you? Why does English have so much of this going on with these 2 little words? I don't know, but I hope this helped. Peace, friends.